Hello Linda, how old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Good job. Linda, who is he?
He is my man.
Good job. Linda, who is she?
She is Sophie.
Good job. Linda, who is she?
She is the star.
She's Mrs. Star. Good job. Linda, is he Simon?
No, he isn't. He is my man.
Good job. Is she Stella?
No, she isn't. She is Susie.
Good job. Is she Mrs. Star?
Yes, she is.
Good job, well done. Linda, what's this?
It's a crayon.
Okay, it's a crayon or a pencil? It's a pencil. Good job. What's this?
It's a book.
Good job. What is this?
It's a eraser.
Good job. What is this?
It's a pencil.
Good job. What colour is the pencil?
It's blue.
Good job. What colour is the book?
It's green
Yeah.
and pink.
Good job. Okay, Linda. Hello, Linda. Linda, do you have an eraser? Do you have an eraser?
Yes, I have.
Yes, I do. Do you have a book?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a pencil?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a chair?
No, I don't.
Do you have a pen?
No, I don't.
Good job, well done. Linda, can you read this for me, please? Can you read this for me, please?
Hello, how are you?
Mhm.
I'm fine, thank you. How are you? And how old are you? I'm 8 years old.
Good job, well done. Thank you very much, Linda. Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.